Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's presentation. I'm Zida Ilmaya Lumami, and I'll be the moderator today. Before we begin, I would like to introduce you the presenters. Our presenters for today are from Group 10. Our team are Evelyn Menur, Revalia Zaskia, Zida Ilmaya, and also Mikdad Ahsan. Today, we will present about contract, main point of contract, definition of contract and agreement, the difference between contract and agreement, types of contract, and summary. First, I will explain about what is contract. Definition of contract is a formal arrangement between two or more parties that by its term and element is enforceable by law. The word contract and agreement are often used to mean the same thing when in fact there is a clear difference between the two. Agreement is an arrangement, usually informal, between two or more parties that may not be enforceable by law. Difference between contract and agreement. A contract is a professional agreement that is legal valid, while an agreement is a personal agreement that has no legal guarantee. Contracts are used for professional and important purpose, while agreements are used for small matters based on personal belief. Ini di stop. Yes.
A contract is a written or verbal agreement between two or more parties that is enforceable by law. An agreement is a written or verbal contract between two or more parties that is not enforceable by law. The proper way to make an official contract is through legal means, whereas an agreement can be done without legal involvement. Agreements are generally made over small things and are usually held by taking someone's words. A contract is made legal when it involves important issue. Where a promise cannot suffice, a contract and agreements are used for the same purpose. However, a contract is a professional agreement. There are many types of contract which can be developed. One is the financing contract, which is created between a debtor and lender. There are project management contracts created between workers and the person who is paying them to complete a certain project. Other contracts include building contracts, service contracts, and some consider marriage to be a contract as well. Agreements are different as they are created on a personal understanding and trust that a person will complete their half of the agreement. Agreements can also be met for the aforementioned things. However, there is no legal guarantee for reimbursement should the other person not complete their job. Agreements are more commonly made between family members or close friends and are similar to promise. Like promise, agreements can be broken. When this occurs, there are no legal repercussions.
Oh, okay.
In order for a contract to become binding, there are certain elements it must demonstrate universal acceptance. All parties are in agreement with the limitations set forth by the contract. The most be plausible and possible, meaning that it should be believably obtainable to commit to by all parties involved. When an agreement is made, there is only a verbal acceptance by the parties involved. It can be made even if the stipulations are impossible, and the parties are able to alter an agreement as they see fit and when they desire. Contract and agreement are created with the same purpose of creating a formal agreement between parties. The difference lies in the formality of the contract and the personalization of an agreement.
So I will explain the summary. Summary about contract. In general, a contract are agreement, but not all agreement can be considered contract. Contract require legal elements to be valid and unforgettable, where agreement are more flexible and do not always include legal elements. So this is a difference between agreement and contract. In agreement, definitely an agreement between two or more parties that is not enforceable by law, and the contract, a formal agreement between two or more parties that by its term and element is enforceable by law. In agreement, validity based on its mutual acceptance by both parties influence and contract mutual acceptance by both parties influence. In agreement, no need to be in writing, but contract no expect to some specific kind of contract, such as involving land or which cannot be completed within 1 year. In agreement, consideration required is agreement is null and a contract is yes. Legal effect of for agreement, an agreement that like any of the required elements of a contract has no legal effect, and a contract is legal binding and is a contract is a part of law. Next, types of contracts. Contracts under seal. Traditionally, a contract was an enforceable legal document only if it was stamped with a seal. The seal represented that the parties intend the agreement to entail legal consequence. Express contracts. In an express contract, the parties set the term either orally or in writing at the time of its formation. There is a definite written or oral offer that is accepted by the offered in a manner that explicitly demonstrates consent to its term. Type of contracts. The first, executed and executory contracts. The second, bilateral and unilateral contracts. The third, uniconscionable contracts. The fourth, adhesion contracts. The fifth, aleatory contracts. The sixth, void and voidable contracts. Executed and executory contracts. An executed contract is one in which nothing remains to be done by either party. An executory contract is one in which some future act or obligation remains to be performed according to its term. Bilateral and unilateral contract. Bilateral contract is sometimes called a two-sided contract because of the two promises that constitute it. Unilateral contract involves a promise that is made by only the unilateral contract is involves a promise that is made by only one party. Void and voidable contract. Void contract imposes no legal right or obligation upon the parties and is not enforceable by a court. Voidable contract may be ratified either expressly or impliedly by the part who has the right to avoid it. Thank you. Adhesion contract. Adhesion contracts are those that are drafted by the party who has the greater bargaining advantage. Next, aleatory contract. An aleatory contract is a mutual agreement, the effects of which are triggered by the occurrence of an uncertain event. Void and voidable contracts. Void contract imposes no legal right or obligation upon the parties and is not and is not enforceable by a court.
Sudah berulang kali ku bilang kalau videonya udah selesai. Lah, udah selesai. Bye-bye, sepuh.
Okay, this is from us. Thanks for your pay attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.